Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin now. Save any open files and close apps so the system can restart cleanly. Make sure your keyboard is connected and responsive. If wireless, use a wired one for reliability. Press the Start menu, choose Restart, and watch the screen closely. You must be ready to press F8 repeatedly just after the BIOS/post screen finishes and before the Windows XP logo shows. This timing is crucial because the bootloader listens only in that brief window. Once done restarting, press F8 repeatedly until the Advanced Boot Options menu appears. Don't hold the key, tap it. Use the arrow keys to select Safe Mode or Safe Mode with networking depending on whether you need internet access for downloads or troubleshooting. You choose Safe Mode when drivers are causing issues because it loads only essential drivers and services, isolating problems. After highlighting, press Enter and Windows will begin loading a minimal environment. Be patient as some drivers still initialize slowly. You'll log in next. Prefer the administrator account because it often bypasses user-level permission blocks for repairs. Once in Safe Mode, run System Restore or your antivirus and roll back any recently added drivers under Device Manager to reverse faulty changes. Make sure to note error messages for later. If the F8 method fails, try a hard shutdown and repeat or boot from your Windows XP CD to access the recovery console. That gives alternate repair commands when the boot menu won't appear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.